Today, Beau knows dinner. Now, it can't be delicious and fast, but HelloFresh says it can. So I'm undercover here to ask celebrity quiz king Ed Kavalee why he's such a fan.
I am a fan, Beau.
This isn't Beau, I'm Frank. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions, for the Ed Kavalee global fan base? Just for a few insights,
Yeah, no, that sounds great. If we're going to do it, Frank, let's do it properly. Have our own little game show. And you'll have to probably get a stand-in mustache because it's getting increasingly ridiculous.
Okay, pay attention. Is it possible to cook a meal fast and it still be delicious?
It is. With HelloFresh, there's options for every night of the week, even if you're time poor.
Well, I didn't really ask that.
Like weekdays when I do the breakfast show. There are meals ready in just a few steps so I can hit the sack early.
But I didn't ask that.
And Friday night, bingo night, that's where quick recipes come in because they let me go from meal kit to table in under 25 minutes so I don't miss any of the action. And it gets pretty crazy.
Please wait for the question.
And there are super fast recipes with all the prep work done for me, which is perfect for Sunday nights when I'm worn out or if unexpected guests drop by.
You have people coming over? Where did they come from?
I just made them.
What, just then when we were talking?
Yeah.
But you didn't do the thing.
My apologies.
I literally have no recollection of any of that even happening.
It is blink and you miss it. Let's eat.
Wow, this food is fantastic. So delicious and fast.
Could say it's been an amazing race around the kitchen.
What? I don't get it.
Forget it.
Anyway, while I'm here, Ed, can you please sign this real quick to Beau? To Frank.
Okay. What's your last name? Frank.
My last name is Frank Mustachio.
Frank Mustachio.
Your
Your middle name is Moustache and your last name is Mustachio.
Yeah, it's a hyphen. My mum married my just sign it. Well, there you have it. The rumours are true. With HelloFresh, you can make dinner delicious and fast. I never thought I'd see the day, but for now, I got somewhere to be. Click here to find out what Beau knows. I've got nowhere to be. You boys want to hang out? Can I get a lift back to Cronulla or something?